If you watch this video till the end, I guarantee you will be able to make fried rice in bulk for at least 50 people. The kind of fried rice that wouldn't spoil that day, the kind of fried rice that can last till the next day or even 2 days in your fridge. Bulk cooking is not difficult, you just need the right ingredients, procedure and confidence. My dear friends, if you've not subscribed yet, please kindly hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up at the end of this video, or now you can just give it a thumbs up because this video is very insightful, detailed, and I'm sure you will gain a lot from this video. Now to your big pot, go in with the oil you use to fry your protein if you are using protein for your recipe or for your food. So I use this oil to fry my meat and I just drained some and put it in the pot. Then I'll be sauteing some blended onions, my curry, thyme, ginger and garlic powder. I'll saute that to bring out all the flavor from the oil and from the spices, so everywhere is going to be smelling really nice. And I'll go in with my properly washed rice. I'm not using parboiled rice, so washed and drained rice. I washed my rice for about 5 times till my water looks clean, and I just pour it into the flavored oil with spices, and I'm going to give that a very good stir on low heat. This is the process of frying the rice, and just frying it till the rice is looking dry and grainy. That is the secret behind that jollof rice that used to last for days. You are going to fry it very well in the oil. Let the water dry up. Your rice is going to be like separating from each other one after the other. It's not going to be gumming to each other before you add in your salt and your seasoning cube. Now give that a good stir again to combine the salt and the seasoning cube before going in with enough water to cook the rice. Remember, you don't want to overcook the rice. You don't want to add so much water that will overcook the rice or make the rice too soft. If you are not sure of the amount of water to add, I would advise that you add water gradually till your desired softness. But remember, you don't want the rice to be mushy and to be sticky, so just enough water to cook it till it is just cooked and okay, not too soft, not too hard. Now once the rice is cooked, we are just going to be fluffing it, and you can see the texture of this rice. It is cooked, not too soft, and it is not hard. This is just the perfect consistency of the rice you want. Now we'll be proceeding to fry our veggies. Because we love flavor over here, we're using margarine to fry the veggies. You can use butter or vegetable oil, however you want it. Now you want to fry your seasoned boiled chopped liver. What is Nigerian fried rice without liver in it? It gives it that chunk of meat when you take a spoon, so it is so good. Now you want to add in some onions, some sliced onions. You saute that and the aroma by now should be given. I already froze my mixed veggies. I think I have a video of this on our YouTube shorts, how I made this veggies 3 packs, so with 3,300 naira. So you want to watch it? Let me know if you want me to make a full video on how I achieved that. But that aside, you want to just fry on low heat and allow everything to combine to each other. Allow the butter and the onions and the mixed veggies marinate each other. Let the flavor combine to each other. Now return back to your cooked rice, your cooked fried rice, and just pour in the mixed veggies that is already stir fried and combine everything together. You can see that this rice is coming together already, but we're not done. No, we're still adding some things to it to just make it more attractive, yummy and delicious. Make sure you combine everything together because you want the veggies and the rice to mix equally to each other. And if you've not subscribed by now, you are wrong. Please kindly hit the subscribe button. Now you want to add in your chopped bell peppers and spring onions. Now combine and just mix everything all together. You will notice that I did not add habanero pepper to this recipe. That's because the people I'm making it for, they don't like pepper. It's for kids. But if you want it to be a little bit spicy, You can add the habanero pepper when you were stir frying the veggies. Just add the pepper when you were stir frying the veggies and combine everything before incorporating it to the rice. But if you don't like pepper, you can just make it just like this with your bell pepper, and it is good to go. It tasted so yum. Mix to combine generously. I'm sure by now you should know how to make fried rice. This fried rice was for 50 kids, and if you want to make for 100 people or 150, you could multiply the recipe. I will drop all the full ingredients in the description box, and I hope you find this recipe helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Till next time, bye.